your interest lies now, man. You finally hear a topic, will suit you. So you don't like the man, but you support the topic there. So you have to stop tell lie upon him, Bridget. I see it before the week done.
They on the live when the person they after that, you know.
Before the week done, a TVJ News interview the people them and the people them a talk about the something. So you see it now, you see what me I try to show you, you might tell you say might have some bad thing one might want some might no want no friend from them post them and them post the lie might and deceiving youth. When time I shoot the video the first time, alright, you see when I send the video, when I just get the video the time, I'm send it in the group, the man say na him. Me have to send it go get somebody else and say, yo, listen to that voice here. And them say, no, caution, I ain't man.
I know innocent meeting, brother. I know innocent meeting.
I have to message you that. The amount of people will message me, man. You right now, my phone full more time. You know. Just message me, I'm a message, I'm send it back.
Watch you know. Because watch you know, HQ no know about it, you know. I'm gonna make HQ know about it in that because this a boy. Watch you know, but no for them were here a sugarcoat it. Them now make the right people them hear it.
About it.
You see me I say?
Yeah man, cause Tara know you know Tara.
How you mean if she know? I want to take caution, man. I know all of them in man. She know, but she a sugarcoat it. But
people. Alright, you have some councillor now and some MP candidate now. That's why I wonder, I looking at brother, because I look and observe in the bridge. Because right now, you know, I can't tell you this, you know. PNP look like I drop them want to drop the ball, you know, because me can't tell you this. You see, this a topic is a topic where if you not support it in the bridge, I will right, people like lose interest in you, you know. I tell no people. I'm here the boy make a speech on him program about alright, no homosexual, no what he said no black man and no lesbian, don't go vote. Don't go vote.
Wait, what that sign them mean? The TK. the TK, what now
team caution. Okay. Some people just put up the caution sign. But hear me I say that the man saying, you say, see, literally, when I try to tell me, say, no, I tell the people, them say, them have a say. Big man, you can't have a say when you do something where ungodly in my country, brother. Go on, go pack up a Belgium. Go on, go pack up a Switzerland. You can go Canada too. With them kind of lifestyle. Me don't want it, big man. Me don't want it, yes, so. Me don't feel like, say, we're supposed to live in a community. Or an area, or a country where me believe, say, you know, so that is the reason why I don't really like travel. That's the reason why I don't like travel, you know. I don't want to go to America and them things there, you know. Enough country, you know, because I guess I know say them things over there, so illegal and certain little things. So me can burn fire upon them border because me I go get in a trouble. I mean, then in my own country, me feel safe and secure from certain things. Not 100% fully. But I have a vice, I mean, if I give up that, then I would have bomb buckle my youth. Yo, I would have run from here, some you go Africa, I would have find Uganda, or Ghana, any country, or Russia, I would have bomb buckle go, because them say I don't need visa to go Russia. I would have go there.
Me can't bother with the man, them woman, and then when they come to me once in a while. You get what I'm saying? And I'm feeling you out. To be honest, me, I feel you out. I'm still use protection to become a don't want to make a mistake.
Well, I want to go in there, so.
Good. I'm going to have one man to give me another child.
Why is it? Oh, what
Open everything good. Eh? No problem, me not have. Everything perfect.
Who will play that?
That more listen find out.
April.
No, it's not me. It's not me. I'm wondering the same thing too. I might can't do it.
No, sir.
Somebody in the box, but we not see them in the box.
Yeah, adapt me as if somebody in a caution.
Somebody the power silent.
No, like sometimes they will jump out of the box, man. Them can chop out of the box and them still in the box. It happened to me enough time, man.
The right thing and give me my proper sex and spend proper time with me. You do that.
What the bumbo clot you say?
And with the Ross that. Wait. Me curious now to Ross.
Mama, I not spend the time with you.
But them something that's serious, because it's easy for one that will go on with your phone when you come off more time or if you drop out more time.
Your voice note, you don't even know.
You think a joke.
But
Time could I
straight
feel
man,
like
I'm
it
not
out of the
about,
box,
you
you
know.
know.
And that uncle
Yeah.
show so they can stop your Ross phone and monitor your Ross and you don't know that too.
Them a do that already, man.
Yeah, man, say no. The issue is not what go on. The issue is the hombre now spend the time with the woman and chat about the protection card. It look like him a
And
girl
shut
go
up with
and
protection.
yeah,
So
and
him
hold
a
a
grow
little
on
thing.
him a grow on the block.
But
Yeah,
grow on
and
the
him,
black
yeah,
and
and
So
touch
that
him.
nothing come.
him now spend the
In
time
a
for the buff
saka the pum
bumbo
pum.
clot.
The clot. Blood
I'm there and
clot.
listen to your advice, you know, come on. If me hear the voice, like him reply and send back a voice, no, know who, you know, man. Pull him in at the box, man.
Your matter, she talk there again.
Got a problem with that.
Well, I'm mute for my mic.
Yeah, the mute, come on, hear what go on now. Bumbo clot. But I can't hear film voice.
Yo, she not sound bad at all, neither too, you know.
Good morning.
Yo, charge you play the rest of voice note them now.
Right now. Just do what you want. Yeah. Just do your thing. Do your husband what you want. Whatever. Just do your thing. Don't worry about nothing right now. Yeah. Because I'm 100% sure. Say, me fuck you way more than my woman when me have for long. See? Or 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 1 month, 2 months. Me not look for her. See? I'm a 100% blood clot sure about that. Weeks, days. Me get up and fuck you, me a fuck you long, me a make up to you, blood clot come. And you come blame me. You're not comfortable with one of your yard. We say, alright, we do it in the car. You say, you're not comfortable. You still can't come. We do it in the office. You're not comfortable. We say, alright, me die my yard. I mean, I fuck you, my yard. I mean, say, me I give you 1 minute, and 2 minutes, and 3 minutes. Me I fuck you. And you still not come. What the fuck you want me to do? See? Listen, whoever you enjoy yourself with, or you think you want to deal with, who can make it come, just do your thing. Just keep me can't deal with this, yo. Just do your thing. Just do your thing right now. Just do your thing. Anything please you right now, Tasha. Just do your thing.
And you know what say? Me pick up the voice.
Asha.
Man,
Pick up the
sound
voice,
emotional damage.
They call me on my phone right now. I'm sure you.
I'm coming on the number of call dog to make him know say him still up alive, you know. In a year box April. The brother with the fist.
You know who?
Yeah, in the box, man. The brother with the, I think of the brother with the fist.
Blank not. What a business they for social media right now.
Yeah, me I tell you, see the phone thing, brother.
Can't talk, man.
And now man something, man, cause the boss say I did it right. And then the boss come clear up himself.
Yeah.
Yeah, them a
Yeah.
fucking for hours, brother. The man like you, me what?
I mean, straight nation.
I wouldn't bother complain, but no, come, cause me don't have to. Hours. None of them man then no come left in a fear body.
Just leave it for wonder. So yo, more time coming like you have to just make sure say you close out the thing. I don't know a blood clot how this happen.
Yo, but watch you know, whether it close out or not. I saw you have to travel with free spirit, that's all if something like that happen, brethren. You know, not hide or play no dolly house game.
No, without a doubt. Without a doubt.
Respect together.
What you mean? The only man have a fret a hypocrite them in a play some undermine that game in a man when now we don't know in a man.
Exactly.
You see me I say?
Come here and I live. One party together.
Right.
I tell about best friend. I mean, ever tell auntie, nah, go cause when I want to give her, I cannot give her, you know, make no sense.
Yeah. But in terms of if the person dead and then you see them still in the mental faculty, and you can, you know, show your last respect and you know make them see that you are
Carry on like that, man.
Who?
Carry.
Roses when me are dead. Me can't give you life and that more you have. Machine.
The said person, man. The said person where like them dep on the light. Remember say them dep on.
That now go fix the
Come
problem.
like call it them phone wire some different type of way, dog.
No, like you
know
on a different phone.
No, man, the phone I'm dep on him a see pan, man.
Nah, man, it's a different phone, man. That's why in phone still connect to my life, you know.
machine. They're more likely than not start in the mental faculty and can really see and relate to you much. So I understand that. But it's a case like, you know, them still
life machine from the 3rd of June till the 28th.
Might just sound like Richard.
No, that's a Rado.
Yeah. Rado.
Hey, then the ramp to bully him through him a Christian too, you know. Me I tell him say brother you're a Christian half brother.
What me say man?
Say man, what on there? Mr. Boss, what kind of flyers PNP put in a book at school? Tell me, please, come up in your box and tell me. He never put no Batman flyers in a book. Hey, let me tell you now, come on fire so. Here boss, me I beg you, do. He never put no roundest of flyers in a school. What kind of flyers him put? Hey, mine want to talk about the big man, you know. Mine want to talk about the father of the nation. Hey, you know,
think like shit. Don't man, I find a life that focus with father with nation. Father for you.
No, somebody commented in on this something, but them did him already, man. Them did him long time, man. Yeah.
me say no caution. As me say no caution, me no say no, you know, brethren, we don't get military training from the firearms, you know. Me nah say no, we not get that, you know, but that was not the main thing from the itinerary, you know. You understand me, brethren? But the man just debate upon that. The man not say, watch out, Papa Fidel make every farmer be a doctor. Every doctor be a mechanic. Every mechanic be a plumber. You understand me? We are well-rounded soldier. That means that anything at all that not there in the battlefield, you must can defend your brother. PNP, you know, tear down PNP, you know, my brethren. We build up one another. That's why Daddy Michael say, read, study.
Pink, to go over Kerry Live.
Yeah.
Calm down now.
No, sir. Me soon talk to you there. Me soon talk to you.
Come here.
Yeah, hold on there.
Over the camp there with your dirtiness, and through the man broke up your backside, lick out your caca, you run come over yourself for refugee. What you gonna do? You want carry your dirtiness, your nastiness, come inoculate we over here, so? You could have graduated from Oxford College. You could have go to Cambridge. Me personally, now what me now support you. You could have print PNP on your forehead. Me personally, now walk behind you. Me now have nothing. And any woman where support him, me now have nothing for do with her. Me never want why are them the people yeah, when you as a woman serve him, you will serve him and give him the church. And then me as a man now, we are straight man. I go see you now and say, yeah. And when me take a stack of dirtiness, you go mix up in a carry dirtiness, watch out. No refugee round here, so with that, get away. Fire.
No.
Question. So my good man, me just hold it, you know. So hold it. Me not tell you, me not calm, you know. Cause me really angry, you know. Especially when me see my own PNP people slag me down for ask a question. Yes, so I tell you the truth. I truth that. But when me find out the PNP man a dog shit,
You know,
that bother me.
The topic, Caution. That should be the topic, you know.
Yeah.
But some more, the same question when Mike asking.
Me nah stop talk about that something, brother. Me nah stop talk about it. Me not give a fuck when nobody wants to brethren.
Yeah,
It a cause all of them to pick up them fuckery.
Mikey,
Yeah?
you do music? You do music?
Yeah.
No, me be looking for your profile picture and listen to your voice and it just sound familiar.
Yeah, man, me have songs to release. Me do an album now. Actually, me gone 5 songs. Me have 5 more for them. Me do my album from the other day when Caution them couldn't find me. Then me gone way up now. They gonna do my album.
Okay. I say when I look for your profile and see your voice, I say it look familiar and sound familiar, but I cannot place it.
Where are you?
I'm in Jamaica.
Yeah, Jamaica. What part of Jamaica? Kingston or country?
Cresta.
Me do a show Manchester, man. Me do a show Manchester, man.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
man.
Come here, I say your face and your voice. Me just can't place it, but it's sound familiar.
Me was just singing at the hotels them. Bands and all of them stuff. For years. I mean at the JDF. But they are about to do show to sometime. Yeah, man.
Okay.
I was actually shelved out of certain things. That's why I go JDF. You understand me?
Yeah,
Yeah, cause you know you're in that thing and you ask if you go somewhere else in the work and through you kinda your skin color darker than some bright color boy. They refuse the movements there. See? Because I ask to go university and they refuse me. Yeah.
From the army.
Yeah, I'm gonna decide say yo, hold on kiss me ass. I'm left.
So right there.
I shoot. Me I tell them, nah,
And then again, you know. Then again, if you not care them ban, you know, them not put on away, you know.
Them not tell them, man.
Yeah, man.
Me ask to go university, man, and then they refuse me, man. And me tell them to F off and walk out. Yeah, tell them to kiss me ass. And they watch me for about 15 years. Yeah, people are watch me. But it's fun because I used to do some dual show with all Capleton them and them man there. And then little man I watch me.
Little instigator there.
Yeah. Yeah, man, they watch me for about 15 years because I used to represent as a marksman still, isn't it?
Yeah.
Whole heap of Caribbean Cup competition through me Kiabaka yard, brother.
Yeah.
And they refuse me Rasta, so I tell them to F off and I walk and left them. And my whole family turned against me. Yeah, man.
Them don't know the system. The system build and break, you know.
Them
That them
have
know,
a
you know.
clue. Them have a clue, man.
Same system will be the same system she brought and say, yeah, this, yeah, that, you know.
Shoot you out and tear you down.
Yeah,
I say
man.
you're
I tell
a problem child.
absolutely. And look what they did know. Long after them, I say, oh, okay, you stand up for your right. If I would get up and stand up for your right, don't know why here. Get me.
Yeah. Yeah, man, all them things they reach my brother and me just say, you know what? Call it a day, you know. Yeah, man, and a be a disrespect of me and some family member them literally put me down to the ground like me I want nobody. Yeah. I'm gonna take it with a smile, brother. I'm gonna just walk and see me now with the England. Huh? Yeah, man. And a little bit time me get, man. Me get a good amount of time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Me never know them, and me never see them, and me never born in a time when them touch it. But me,
Hey.
I know, alright then, me gonna give vote to my opponent. No vote to my life yet. Nobody look up for to my
Let's hear that.
Yeah.
What you mean?
Oh, I know me catch her voice just like that.
What you mean? They on the live, man.
Gone over our life, man.
Hey, man. Burn fire over that blood.
She went talking up.
I'm a charge you, man.
For an undivided voter, you know. For an undecided voter, me not joke, me check for your unche burn the blood tweet fire, you know. Yeah, man, me check for your man.
Look here about I say, but rate her, me check for your
She sound to me like the female host. The host over here, so she sound to me like that one, yeah.
Yeah.
Female passion.
Let me tell you something, man. Let me tell you something. She different way. She pass her life and hear about burn out caution and hear about this way. And she come off phone and say, let me tell you something. When if you stop garden life, when the whole of PNP can start to sit down for the line and discuss and burn them out. Stop go argue with them. We don't need to argue with no labor right. And them in a power, we if you talk about how them make mistake. Stop argue with them.
You know what?
And she burn we out.
You know what? I'm put no labor rights in the box, you know. Alright.
Nah,
For sure,
no labor wrong.
She don't want them in the back. She don't want them in the. If I carry on alone to blood as them reach over here, them get black. And me make sure black enough for them, you know.
That's true, man. Because enough of them, she hear enough of them are this way. And they run, come over here. I go look pity.
Them coming at the same comment and coming at the box and she ever say, yo, caution, you play with them, you know. My God, PNP she want black to cause she hear enough things, bro.
Enough of them
watch her. It's a girl where she not intellectual smart, but she's street smart. She watch play and she read play.
And she her voice, have a powerful voice.
Alright, you know, so she got up on her live one morning. Man, I show you. Oh, me know say, yo, carry on a G, you know, man. Carry on go up on her live and she tell me about the Umbre. I tell the Umbre, say, yo, me not go up on the live. And I say, no, carry on. She say, yo, me go over there and I say, morning and one time you should hear me up on him, stop. She say, me don't know what. I say, alright, everything cool, man. Say, one morning me go over there. And at 12 away, I must say 11 away, up on the live. And she did it and she heal the brother, you know. Heal the brother, you know. And in the text, you know, remember the bag of text now come in and the man say nothing, you know, somebody come in after her and say something. And me hear the person. And I say, oh, she at that. But I show me say, yeah, man.
This
never did I lie.
Yeah, man.
And she tell me, say, come start my life. Cause she show me and she say, you see it? Come and she say, come start your life. And me then I say, Bill no carry, because I realize what she doing, but I say, oh, Bill man, me not really, you know, in this mistake, I don't know why him have. But no more than a year, she got hear something and she see him play, because, listen, it's just like how one boy check for him sister them, we check for my sister them. So if them tell me, say, yo, Ray, I have another one, she not talking about her, but me I tell her she dangerous, you know, because she see me over there in the box and the fishing in the comment section and she text me and she say, Caution, come down. When I see me, me just jump up and I say, alright, friend, she say, come down, man, come down.
Me see text her, I feel that text her.
Then me say, yo, oh, you fit in a box and fish in a comment section. Me say, true, you talk.
Lord.
Me did end at the same live though with my other account. This is the text.
So, me have my sister them, me have him sister them. Him can listen, everybody have them crowd and them people, you know, Bridge.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Everybody
man, and
have them
caution
crowd
on
and them
everybody.
people. Yeah,
Right,
that's
right,
the general.
Up,
One more
running.
tip.
Yeah, man, boy, me there from where me I tell you a whole heap of thing me hear and me I say, boy, me not like what going on in the country at all, brother. Trust me. Because
That
me
way
see the
I
man them
hear.
out for turn the man them want turn the country in a Batman country. And they want to start on a little picking of them.
Yeah.
And it grieve me.
So all the green people don't hear that. All the green people don't hear that. You can't go PNP and hear that. All the green people don't hear that.
Me say them so dunce, like me I try to tell you the people them so dunce. The people them in I bring, me say them so dunce, that's them don't even understand where the country a go, where it a head for. And the whole of them come on radio every day, the whole of them come online every day and I talk about say, oh, the country a going the right way, the right way, the right way. Yo, brother.
Me keep and I ask how which way.
It's actually going in the right way for them, you know, because
No,
most of them
it's a
the
bro
corruption.
schooling. It's a bro schooling. I'm not telling a lie. As a PNP man, but I'm shit bro schooling.
Are the best labor right we ever come in at Jamaica.
Yeah, me not feel to say that the brother they are no labor. Me feel to say as I'm a socialist in being just did one certain.
Yeah, a socialist policy used in a JLP party, you know.
Yeah.
You
Yeah,
understand?
man, I tell you.
Listen, in a what day, I know my general. The man say it, you know, say listen, Jamaica heading in the wrong direction. I know that him attack, you know. Kind of like Batty boy, you know.
No, it's not in the cabinet.
Then that's why Warmington jump down on him, so because through Warmington knows him a punk, that's why him a jump down on Bruce Golding when Bruce Golding did say that.
Warmington a Batty boy too much.
What you mean? That's why
Yeah,
jump down on him, man.
Warming a big fish.
I come talk about him a failure. When him attack say him a failure, you realize say if him a failure because of the whole goddamn whole of them.
Yeah, man.
Look how Warmington ever disrespect the woman them.
No, name have a fishing place at Old Harbour. Name have a fishing place at Old Harbour.
Yeah.
We have anything about fish, man. Anything about fish.
Remember in a Kobe, you know, when police go there for defend them, you know. The man disrespect the police them in a way and run them and call him phone and call him politics friend them, you know. And a policeman in the lose their work, you know.
Yeah, after him break the COVID rules.
Yeah. After the police they lose their work, you know, but so if them not set an example, and you say you're a big minister, and yo, me tell you say, no, man, more want in that broke out, and some more in tongue long out all 5 feet, you know, brother, out in short, you know.
Oh, yes, sir. Father God take time and take care of them, you know. Father God take time and take care of them, man, because Father God know them up to, you know. And Father God know you know them and them nastiness. Because number one, the whole of them are go down one by one. The whole of them, if I no sickness I take them down and something else I take them down. Remember me tell you, God.
See the man they go like in cancer and in throat.
Caution. Caution.
Them whole of them.
This can't right to them, man. But everything else for the man now.
Real confusing. I want part of the Bible but not certain things and part of so forth.
If the man say no.
Mute on the mic, man. The Bible I go read. Come on, man. Mute on the mic. Mute on the mic. Mute on the mic. Mute on the mic. The Bible I go read, man. Come on. The creator word, man. Mute on the mic.
Because guess what, man? A straight electric pull
If a man also lie with mankind as he lieth with a woman, both of them have committed an abomination. They shall surely be put to death. Their blood shall be upon them.
I try to figure out a why problem and just turn up the car and make you get the car. But the car almost finished, man. Yeah.
Yeah, you can't mute on the mic.
You
That's what I'm not
man,
telling
say,
you.
man.
Just to the mic.
You hear what the man read a while ago. Why
Yes,
Bible
man.
say?
Yeah.
On a year?
And it's an,
You hear what the
we,
Bible say?
Yeah,
If we
man.
put them
Look
to
like they
bed,
know. They tell him for mute him mic now.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
if a
Definitely.
man late with
Yeah, man.
mankind,
Bless.
they won't lay with one woman. We kill them, they fi dead, they not fi live. Fire.
That just goes to show you say you can analyze a man and the father will forgive you. But that sin there, the father not forgive you. Death, the ultimate.
but
Yeah,
remember,
man.
even when you gamble in a church in Conong and dash every table, you know, mash up everything, you know. And I just gambling when I gambling, you know.
One brother come out of the box, man, and him still in the box. More restart the life, cause me I hear the whole line business.
Alright. Thank you.